Okay, wait. You know cities make noise. Traffic, crowds, the hum of machinery. You're thinking, all noise is explained by man-made sources. It just went to show that you're missing one of the most famous, unexplained phenomena. But here's the global shocker. For decades, the small town of Taos, New Mexico, has been plagued by a constant, low-frequency rumble. Imagine this, the Taos hum is a steady, low-pitched sound that can be heard by about 2% of the local population, yet all scientific testing has failed to identify its source. Theories range from subterranean gas pipes to military experiments. It is an audible mystery.